The new user interface is just about to be released. It's going to be released in the US and UK on the week of the 1st of September, and it's going to be released in Australia on the 10th of September. So please be ready for it. I'm super pumped about it. It's looking really great. One of the things that it'll do, I want to show you, is this question mark down here. When you start, it will actually pop up the very first time you log in. It will tell you about the new user interface. So it will tell you about the searching. It'll tell you about the warnings and where things have moved. It'll tell you about the profile. You click next and it'll tell you up here about the top menu navigation has been moved up to the top, and that the main things that we do on a day-to-day basis are on the left, and the admin and settings and things like that are down there at the bottom on the left. So then it tells you about the things, and you can search the knowledge base and stuff like that. I want to show you that as well, because this is super cool too. So if we click question mark here and we just go back, what I can do is I can go into the knowledge base and I can search anything here in the knowledge base. So if I wanted to do credit an invoice or something like that, it'll go and search our knowledge base. It'll say how to credit an invoice. I can click on it. It'll open up the credit and invoice knowledge base article. It's all directly inside this little help system that we've got now, our new help system. You've got onboarding introduction. If you want to not do that, if you're an existing user and you've been using it for a while, you can actually dismiss it and it will go away. And you can minimize the resource center down there like that, and it'll just go back to a question mark as well. So this has got some really cool stuff. It's got a contact us. You can send an email direct to support from here. It's got the knowledge base. It's got some announcements that might be making. So here's about the guided tour of the new look and feel of the application. So you can go back into that guided tour if you wanted to run the guided tour again. So this little help section down here, along with the new look and feel of the new user interface, is really going to help you to be even more successful in your workshop. We're super pumped about this, and thank you so much for your business, and your feedback so far for the beta users that have been using this has been awesome. So I really appreciate that effort.